we fired the old 943 up. Haven't run this old girl since wintertime. But see, we got sent a little bit of a care package for this machine. Guys over at AUXBEAM, they reached out to us and said that they'd send us some lights for one of our machines, and so we're going to give them a shot. So currently this machine's a 24 volt system, and it's got a bunch of halogen lights on it that, you know, I think one of them works and maybe one of the reverse lights works, and it leaves quite a bit to be desired. So these guys at AUXBEAM, they sent us some nice 5-inch LED driving and floodlights. So we're gonna change the top two on the cab. And we're going to change these two back here, because these two, you can toggle them on or off in there, and the other switch turns on the top two on the cab. And we'll see what kind of difference they make. And if they're good, we'll buy a couple more, switch these out. But for now, they sent us 4 of them, so we're going to take a look at them, take them out of the box, see what they look like, and do a little bit of an install video on this. Alright, so here's what we got. We got 2 of these kits. We'll open this one up here. We got another sticker here. Instructions. And here we go. So that's what they sent them. These are the 5-inch. Guess they're considered driving lights, but they got the flood beams, and then they got like a center projector lens. And you got mounting grommets and hardware, and your standard relay harness, the switch included. We won't be using this because the machine's already set up with relays and wires. And it looks like they give you amber lenses that you could swap out if you wanted to have a more of a amber fog beam. Alright, well, let's get right to the install. Say that was pretty much shot anyway. Always gotta be difficult. Okay. So as far as mounting goes, the brackets come off pretty easy, and it's got these little ridges in here that hold the nut for you, or the bolt head. So we're just gonna mount it in the existing holes. Get that put in place there. Before we go too much further, let's just test fit. Make sure the lights in actually fit there nicely. But yeah, that'll be fine. Yeah. Alright. we got our holes drilled. We're gonna get our wiring sorted out here, so we don't need all that extra. We'll get rid of that. We got our harness here. Okay, got that in there. Line this up here. Okay. Quarter 20. Stainless, run that through. Alright, there we have it. So, got your main center one, that one holds it on. Then this one here, you can adjust the light, the angle of it. So I think for now, I'm gonna leave that loose until we test this out at night, and then we'll be able to set that angle. So there it is. We got one there fully mounted. We got to tuck all our wiring in the back there. This here is just a extra ground. I don't really think needs to be there. Could actually probably take that out. Yeah, you know what? We'll take care of that. But yeah, so got that all tucked in there. We'll time lapse this next one and then we'll move to the back. Alright, there we have it. Got them both working. Okay, let's move to the back. Let's see if we can get these off. That's annoying. Oh, man. Oh. we got one. We'll get that. A little bit. I don't really know why it's raining. Basically, it hasn't stopped raining for like a week. And it's been beautiful today, and then still blue skies everywhere. I'm over trying to figure out this weather. That one. Alright, it's gone. Maybe it's not going. That works too. Alright. I'm gonna be back in a little bit when it stops raining. The rain stopped. Let's get these cut off here. Got our new harness. Other one. These heat shrinks. Okay, so this should be good there. Now, did a little bit of test fitting here, and these will fit in there, but we're not going to be able to adjust them. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to tighten this, the main one, down, and I'll leave the adjuster one loose, and that way I can always move them a little bit, because they shouldn't really move when you're operating the machine. this. Okay. Stack there. The back ones. All right, let's see if they work, and we'll tie them wires up. Yep. Okay. Got them both working there. Alright, let's get these wires tied up, and that'll kind of complete this project. Then try them out at night. Alright, we're sitting in the cab of the 943 here. We're going to test out these AUXBEAM lights. So we're going to do the front ones first. Wow. Gotta adjust our beam a little bit, but man, they are bright. You can see pretty well. You might want to pan them out sideways a little bit, but they definitely get the job done. It's nice and bright. We're probably about 150 foot to the tree line there, so definitely get some stuff done with these. All right, let's see what the back ones look like. Bright too. Definitely good enough to see. I mean, the back ones don't gotta be that bright. Alright, well, that kind of is gonna wrap this video up. We got all 4 of these lights installed and they're all working good, and now we can see it at night. So gonna make running this thing a lot nicer for nighttime, or even early morning or winter time. You know, it's gonna be nice to have some good lights in this machine. So thanks again to AUXBEAM for sending us these lights, and if you guys want some, we'll put a link in the description here for you. But yeah, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.